Have you ever pondered the curious tale of Germany's industrial giants such as DB Cargo, ZF, Miele, and Continental, shifting their production abroad? Simultaneously, have you noticed the burgeoning economic opportunities in India, a country that's rapidly becoming an industrial powerhouse? This is a story of change, of new horizons, and of opportunities waiting to be seized. Enter Moglix, India's largest business-to-business commerce platform for industrial products. With its ambitious expansion plans, Moglix is setting a new course for the world of business. In the next 18 months, it aims to bring on board 500 new talents. This is not just a significant milestone for Moglix, it is a beacon of opportunity for entrepreneurs from the DACH region, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. The industrial landscape is changing. The deindustrialization trend in Germany is creating a shift in the global economic structure. As production relocates, new spaces are opening up, spaces that are ripe with potential. This is where India comes into the picture. With its lower production costs, vast talent pool, and strong industrial base, India is fast becoming a prime location for global ventures. Yet, expansion is not without its challenges. Identifying the right locations, overcoming tax and logistical hurdles, these are but a few of the obstacles that entrepreneurs face. But Moglix is leading by example. Their strategic insights and practical solutions are paving the way for successful international expansion. This story of Moglix's ambitious expansion is more than just a tale of a company's growth. It is a narrative of the opportunities that lie in wait for DACH entrepreneurs. It is a call to seize these opportunities, to venture into the Indian market, and to benefit from the country's industrial might. In summary, Moglix's expansion presents an exceptional opportunity for DACH entrepreneurs. The deindustrialization trend in Germany, juxtaposed with the vibrant economic opportunities in India, paints a clear picture. The future of industry is global. With strategic planning and a keen eye for opportunity, DACH entrepreneurs can ride this wave of change and make their mark on the global stage. So, as we witness the unfolding of this new industrial era, let us remember that change is not just inevitable, it is an opportunity. An opportunity to explore new markets, to tap into new resources, and to create new partnerships. And in this ever-changing landscape, Moglix stands as a testament to what is possible when ambition meets opportunity. End of voiceover.